Hi everyone! Today we are here to show the demonstration of the SandX 4800, a robotic sanding system. First, select the type of panel. Select the speed and press start. Now it's going to click an image. It figures out where the board is. It's going to show you how the tooling path looks like. The robot is going to come right into the corner, touching all the edges, removing any tooling marks in the corners. First, it is going to do a snake pattern to make sure the whole of panel is even with the edges. Now it's going to go up. The sander doesn't stop on the panel to minimize sander marks. It follows to do a circular pass. This is going to remove any linear lines and add more random overlapping marks. There's no linear motion. All the motions are circular. And let's see how much time it took us to do the board. And it took us 82 seconds to do all those different motions. A lot of information about the door is also provided in an interactive dashboard.